Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of HowLogical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix action blocked on Instagram. If you're receiving this kind of a message on your Instagram, then unfortunately, it means your account is temporarily action blocked on Instagram. When you're action blocked, Instagram freezes your account from being able to like, follow, comment, save post, etc. If you want to get out of this situation, then the first thing you want to do is to clear out the cache on your Instagram app. Open up settings from your Android device and from the settings menu, scroll down until you find apps and tap it on. From the app list displayed, search for Instagram, and once you open it up, tap on storage. Tap the clear cache button at the bottom right hand corner and this will wipe out your cache data from your Instagram app. Now, the next thing to do is to delete your application entirely from your Android device and reinstall it back again. Press hold Instagram app from the app drawer and tap on uninstall. Confirm uninstallation by tapping OK in the pop-up. Once you've uninstalled your application, go open up your Play Store and in the search bar, search for Instagram and download the latest version of Instagram back again on your Android device. Once you reinstall the application, try logging in back to your Instagram account again. The next thing to do is to contact Help Instagram Center. From the home page of your Instagram, tap on your profile icon and then tap on the hamburger menu from your profile page at the upper right hand corner. Now, click Settings from the pop-up. Tap on the Help option from the Settings menu and select Report a Problem. Select Report a Problem one more time in the pop-up. Now simply explain your issues that you are experiencing with your account and let them know that you are unable to like, comment, make reels, or whatever your issue is. You can also try explaining that you rely on Instagram for your business and this account issue is directly affecting your revenue. Then, once you explain your problem briefly, tap on Submit at the upper right hand corner. All you can do now is to wait for the reply from Instagram support. If that still does not work, then take a break for a while from Instagram. Stay away from Instagram app for about 24 to 72 hours or so. Avoid DMing, commenting, liking or saving any kind of a post for a few days, and after a few days or so, the app will fix all of your issue by itself. Those were some of the tips how you can fix action blocked on Instagram. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.